And the best place to do that is someplace like on the moon or Mars.
Do you think that it's actually a possibility that they could get nuclear power to the point where it's not a detriment? Because what everyone's worried about is a meltdown, right?
Yeah.
And we do have these old plants that are running on this.
This is 50-year-old technology.
It's crazy because there's no ability to shut them off.
Right, very old technology. They do now have Gen 4 nuclear reactors that are passive fail-safe. So in other words, when they fail into when you pull the plug on them, they fail into a state where there's no leakage, there's no problem.
Right.
Their default is a positive outcome, as opposed to the current ones, the old ones, where if you unplug them, like
and these Gen 4 are just Gen 4. They're not Gen 5.
They're not Gen
6.
80, Gen 100, where we're in microprocessors, right?
And that should be something that people are working towards.
I hope so. I mean, in an ideal world, we would the problem is if you have nuclear energy on the moon, how do you get it home?
Right.
So what you actually got to do is you got to rev it on the moon, and you're using it there maybe to launch more satellites, more rockets further out into the solar system. And that's the initial use case. But then eventually the technology gets so good, you can bring it home.